Okay, today we're looking at a 2012 Honda Civic Si. It's got 97,000 miles on it. It's polished metal metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way up the driver's side here. Got the nice wind deflectors here. Alright, has sunroof, deck lid spoiler. Everything looks good around the rear of the vehicle here. Make our way down the passenger side. Just a little nick of paint missing right here. Alright, a couple little chips there. Alright, real minor stuff. Alright, and the same thing right here, just a small area right here on the front bumper. Alright, just a couple little nicks on the bumper there. But overall, everything's in great shape. Alright, to be a 2012 and have 97,000 miles on it, it's in fantastic shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Black on black door panels, nice cloth insert here, power locks, power windows. Alright, it's got the nice thick rubber floor mats down here, black cloth, the nice red stitching. Alright, and then it has the SI stitched in the back of the seat there as well. But the driver's seat is in good shape. Passenger seat is in good shape as well. Alright, it does have a keyless entry key fob. It is a 6-speed manual. There's your climate control area there, AM, FM, CD. You'll have your mileage display up here, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel, the nice red stitching throughout the steering wheel there. SI logo, steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let me give you a shot of the sunroof here. And like I mentioned earlier, it is equipped power sunroof. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. It has 97,487 miles on it. Alright, I'll pan back a little bit just to give you a shot. It's got the, oh, excuse me. It's got the digital readout for the miles per hour there. Alright, everything's kind of lit up in red. Really cool SI here. Got your climate control area there. CD player, AM, FM. We've had the air conditioner going now for about 10 minutes. AC's blowing cold. No issues there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, got the nice thick rubber floor mat back here as well. Back seat cloth's in good shape. Alright, got the cup holders in the center console here. Just want to show you one thing here. Just a little bit of a rip right here in the seat. Alright, not so much a rip, but just a scratch in the cloth there. Okay. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Everything looks really good. Let's go ahead and check out your trunk space. Alright, you got your original SI mats here. Nice thick rubber protector mat back here as well. Alright, plenty of room back here, ton of storage. Alright, and let me give you this perspective of the back seat. That black cloth gets kind of dark. Alright, I'm going to open up the door back here and give you another vantage point of the back seat here. And then there's that kind of that scratch in the cloth there I was referring to earlier. Okay, but it does have 97,000 miles on it. So you're going to have some little things here and there, maybe a little ding, a little scratch, whatever on a car with that many miles. But this thing, well taken care of for a 2012. All right, with 97,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys on here. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2012 Honda Civic Si. Alright, 6-speed manual, 97,000 miles on it. It's in really good shape. Just a couple little paint chips on the front bumper, one on the back quarter panel. Other than that, it's in phenomenal shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.